We are drawing Among Us. And if you think you can't draw, you join us here. Now this is just a general shape, almost like an egg, almost like an oval that's a little fat on one end. If you don't know how to do it, practice. You can always pause the video and get caught up. Okay, now you try it. Okay, did you get it done? I hope so. This is height, maybe. We're going to start our line just in front of the edge of his mask. And see how much of a distance between his head and his mask? Then I make my line up to meet it. His back is going to be short down to his leg. Right about there and stop. Now I'm going to start at the bottom side of his mask now. It's about where the line would go through it, but we don't put it through it. Angle it over a little bit towards his back leg. Now we're going to make his leg, and then we're going to make his other leg. And keep the bottom of his feet level. Now I'm going to start this back part level with his mask and just come out a short distance and back down. That's a very easy move. Now we're just going to darken all his lines. Don't be scared. And I am going to speed up this video so fast that you have to push the pause button to catch up. This is a great time to practice keeping your lines smooth and not let them get too fat in one area or too skinny in an area. Now I'm just doing some coloring, making a box and writing some blue around it. You know, he has two colors on his body, a red and a purplish, but I don't have the exact colors needed, so I'm going to just improvise. Right now I'm drawing the outline of where the red goes, and here I go. Now I have some purple. It's not the exact color, but I'll put some red over it in just a minute. And this is the blending of two colors to make a new color. Now I'm going to spend a little time darkening him up. And we're done. Hope you had a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.